The large scale mining. I was saying that if you are moving into large scale mines, it means that you need a lot of men. You need a lot of mining engineers because let's say most of them run on 3 shifts. No, 2 shifts. Day, morning, and then night. So you need a lot of people. That is number one. You need a lot of engineers. You need mining engineers to plan. Even the mining engineers, we have the mine planners, we have the drill and blast engineers, you have the dewatering, and then you need engineers, a lot of people. You need geological engineers, you need mechanical engineers to be in charge of your trucks and then your machines. You need the metallurgical engineers or the minerals engineers to process your ore for you. You even need security men. You need people to guide the place. You need truck operators. You need dump truck. You need excavator. You need a whole lot of people to mine. Yeah. So and then you see, you need a lot of machines. High daily and annual output is in raw tons or fine ounces of gold, bauxite, or any mineral. So in the large scale mines too, they mine a lot of ore within a day. Yes. Example, I can say EMP, Goldfields EMP. They. In fact, they mine at a faster rate, and that is very, very, very good. Large scale mines generally have outputs in excess of 60,000 ounces of gold. That is too huge. 60,000 ounces per ounce of gold. Yes. So I'll pause here for questions. If you have any question, you can let me know. Now, the fact that we are saying surface mining, that is one thing I wanted to explain, but it is in the next chapter. I think we'll, but let me explain it here. When we say surface mining, it doesn't mean that we are just on the normal sea level. As I said, say mining. Let me try and see if I can get you a picture of a surface mine. I think I have a picture. Yes. Can you see this? So the fact that it's what qualifies a certain mine to be a surface is that when you are working in a surface mine, you can see the top. If you can see the sky, it means that you are the method you are using, the surface mining method. Do you understand? It becomes underground when you cannot or you cannot see the sky. But in any mining method that you can see the sky, it's a surface mining method. So this is open pit mining. This is open pit mining. It's one of the types of surface mining. Even surface mining, we have different types. We have open pit, open cast. We have the auger mining and the rest, the strip mining. Yes. So they do drilling, they do firing. Also, we a pit. Please, you understand? So they drill, they fire, they drill, they fire. It goes down, down, just like that. And so move but just that. That is that's why we say it's a surface mining method. Please, have I answered your question? So all the mining operations that we do, yes, we do that in, because if you look at this, you have to open your core down. What's that? You drill it near fire, near on, near drill it near fire. So it went in that order till we got to the bottom till we will get to the bottom of the pit. So yes, surface mine, we drill, we fire, we load, we dump, and we go away. Please, do you understand? But you talk about surface mine as a whole for you to understand very well. So don't worry. Please, do you understand? Any other question? We have benches and then we have BEM. All right, so let's say there is a rock here. Please, are you following? There's a rock here. Or let me bring it down. There is a rock here. We are mining. You know, anything can happen. I will be to fire. A bell was so, pet in the bell was so. In Tawbani be to me free ha. How about a tough? Do you get it? Into your mind, yeah, put down your beams. So that if anything is falling, it falls on the beam. So if something is falling from this session, so I did if you are out of form, yeah, beam was it have a top beam. So I'm a bony panel of form. Do you understand? When we get to surface mining systems, I will explain it very well. We even have the meters. Ghana Minerals Commission BEMS, no BEMS wait, and I will say coal mining whilst you are going down. So the BEMS are just there to save us from some fall rocks. See, when there's something falling from height, it will fall on the BEM. So we have my surface mining system now. This is how it's like this. We go with BEM, you go down, you bring BEM, you go down, you bring BEM, you go down, you bring BEM. So let's say there is something here, you are working on this bench. So this become your BEM. This is your bench. You are working here. So if okay, let's say you are working here, you have a BEM here. What's a BEM? It will be free. It will fall on this BEM so that if personnel are here working, they will not be injured. Please, do we understand? The BEMs are here. So if something is falling, it will fall on the BEM. I have a picture of Subika pit. Maybe tomorrow I'll get it so that you see. So these are the whole rules. All rules are there, and then the BEMs are there because it's a whole road. Not BEM. Say if you want to be a bobby free so high, it can even hit on an LV. These short cars we used in the mining, then it can cause a lot of damage. So we will talk about it here. We talk about the BEMs and then the bench height and all those things. That is lecture 1.